Ina nga, wag mo akong papahihay nga. Putang ina nga, 150,000 yan, matatalo ka sa first game mo.
What is up guys, this is Luke once again and welcome back to LDGaming. So in today's video, as you may see on my background, we will be building yet another PC. And this time around, these specific parts are based on the video last week we did. It's the massive tech unboxing. So if you haven't seen it, check it out. I'll put the link down below. So there you go guys. Without further ado, let's dive into this.
LDGaming.
So to start, obviously, we need some tools to start or to build this beast of a PC. So obviously, we'll be using a multi-tool. But for this one, I'll be using my kit. So this one, it's our multi-bit screwdriver. Next, we need a cutter. Next is that just to make sure of everything, we need a anti-static wrist strap or foot strap. But for this case, since I would be using my hands more, I will just put this on my foot rather, then attach it to the base of this table, since the base of this table is made out of metal. So that would in turn remove any electricity away from the device, thus preventing damage from this set of parts, and obviously for our PC. So we don't need any of this anymore. Just put it aside. And obviously, just to speed things up, we'll be using a mechanical screwdriver. For this one, we're gonna use this from Bosch. So it's this one. It's a powered screwdriver. So these are the only things that you need to start building a PC. Start by getting our motherboard. Asus ROG Crosshair 8 Hero Wi-Fi. So this is the top of the line model from Asus. Now let's get our processor. And for this build specifically, we are going to use the Ryzen 7 3800X. So the question is, Luke, why are you gonna use the 3800X, wherein the next Ryzen series will be launching on October 20? Well, obviously, this is a collection of parts from almost a month, so I don't think that it was thought through during that specific period. So that's it. That's the only reason why we are going with this specific processor. But in itself, this processor is not shabby at all, because it's an 8-core 16-thread processor and has a 4.5 GHz boost with a 3.9 GHz space, so not too shabby at all. So yeah. And from what I know, the new owner, obviously the owner of this build, will be upgrading soon, as soon as the other parts are gonna release. So there we go. That's enough reason, and let's install this beast. Hard, because it's gonna exert an immense amount of pressure on your motherboard, and it's getting uncomfortable actually. There you go. We have successfully installed our CPU cooler. So next is plug this into your CPU fan, and it is located here. There you go. And let's just stuck it in place like so. And there you go. You have successfully installed your cooler. What's next? Actually, this is a little getting too long already, so I'll just do a time lapse of everything. So yeah, see you guys in a bit.
Go.
Spice. Ay, kumain. My chopper. Wow.
Nice one!
Kailangan mo mag-aim lab, Charlie. Di mo siya tinatamahan. You have to flick. You have to flick good.
Uy, 110!
Yeah. Ay, okay na yun mo, ha? Gago ka. Bago yan. Kailangan manalo ka. Charlie, binyagan mo. First win in the new PC, bro. Come on. Ang ina nga, huwag mo akong papahihay nga. Putang ina nga, 150,000 yan. Matatalo ka sa first game mo.
Boo!
Ang ina yan. First game on the PC.
Let's go!
Ang ina, ayaw pa. Bigay mo na. Boom! Putang ina! Tag-ina, let's go, let's go! Tag-ina ka, ha?
Kailangan ng dilaw!
Tag-ina mo, that's the game, bro.
Oh! Nice one!